Thailand News, the voice of Thailand from the Public Relations Department of Thailand. Coming to you live from FM 88, FM 95.5 and FM 107.
Welcome to Radio Thailand's Evening News Hour for January 6th, 2022. I'm Patreshko.
I'm Patreshko.
Making national headlines this evening. Thailand's Medical Services Department issues a set of guidelines to deal with COVID-19 Omicron variant cases.
And in international business news,
in business news, the DOT projects that
the Omicron outbreak could have a larger and more prolonged impact than expected on an economic recovery.
And in international news, an Uyghur Muslim group files a criminal complaint with a Turkish prosecutor against Chinese officials.
Let's take a look at those top headlines and many more in detail. National news.